Okay, dinner natin for tonight ay ano to? Sisig. From anong product ba to? Sisig rice. Yan. Punong-puno. That is 99 pesos.
100.
Ay, 100. 99 pesos. 99 each. 100. 100. Okay, so ito naman yung playground ng mga bata. Ayan. So many people. Crowded ang playground. Nandyan sa bag. Okay, while waiting for the water, let's wait for the water to drink. And they are playing. Mamaya dun tayo sa mag-exercise tayo. This is so much. Shut up.